this relationship? Okay, we would say it's linear because it does look like a straight line works. Negative. And the relationship, relatively speaking, is weak. Yes?
You have a neutral relationship between?
Neutral with...
Meaning it's a straight line going horizontally?
Horizontal. Okay, so let's talk about that. A straight line horizontal would be neither positive nor negative. Is that correct?
It would be neutral.
Okay, so we would not say neutral, we would actually say there is no relationship. Okay, if there's... If your data looks like this, something like that. There's actually no relationship. If it's neither positive nor negative, there's no relationship. What about this? What's that? Is there a relationship or not?
No.
Also, no relationship. Why is there no relationship here?
There's no positive one.
Okay.
One of the variables not affected.
Right. So the relationship is neither positive nor negative. But if you think about it, whatever this x variable is, changing the x variable has no impact on the y variable. Okay? This would be similar to asking how many eyes do you have? How much money do you make? Okay? So we would see there would be a lot of different people. People make less money, people make more money. But does that seem to affect how many eyes people have? No. Most everybody would say I have 2 eyes. And it does not really affect how much money these people make. Okay? Over here, this could be what is your shoe size? And yeah, how much money do you make? Okay? Only in extreme circumstances might we see a relationship. But for the general population, we probably would not see a relationship. We would see people with small feet making lots of money, people with small feet making less money. People with big feet making lots of money, people with big feet making little money. We would see just kind of this scatter here. You know, maybe all over the place, but no real relationship. Okay? And you can think of, again, with the idea of how good of a prediction can you make, or how well can you make a predict? How well can you predict one variable based on the other? I could ask you, all right, here is a person, and he has a size 10 shoe. Predict how much money he makes. Your prediction's not going to be very good at all. Okay. On the other hand, other things such as how many years of schooling this person has had might be related to how much money this person makes. Okay. So if I say this person, the entire education, so that includes grade school all the way up through college or whatever. If I say this person had 8 years of schooling, so that means they dropped out after 8th grade. Can you predict how much money this person would make? Your prediction will not be very, very accurate, but in general you could say, well, this person probably will make less money on average than people who've had more schooling. Okay, so in that case, the number of years of education would be positively related to the income of the person. Maybe the relationship is not strong, maybe it's a weak relationship, but we would see an overall positive trend. How are we feeling? Okay. All right, let's take a short break here, and we'll